Trademark attorneys versus intellectual property law firms. Which one is better for brand protection? Most business owners get this wrong by assuming registering a logo or brand name is enough, but the surprising truth is that proper brand protection requires specialized legal expertise. Choosing between a trademark attorney and an intellectual property law firm can make all the difference. Trademark attorneys focus specifically on trademarks, including registration, monitoring, and enforcement. They handle disputes over logos, brand names, and slogans. For example, if a competitor tries to use a confusingly similar logo, a trademark attorney can file opposition, send cease and desist letters, or represent your business in trademark proceedings. They are ideal for startups and small businesses seeking targeted brand protection. Intellectual property law firms, however, offer a broader range of services. They cover patents, copyrights, trade secrets, and trademarks. This is valuable for companies with diverse assets, such as a tech startup with patented software, copyrighted marketing materials, and branded products. Law firms can provide integrated strategies to protect all forms of intellectual property, handle litigation, and advise on licensing agreements. So, which is better? If your focus is strictly on trademark registration and enforcement, a trademark attorney is cost-effective and highly specialized. If your business has multiple assets or anticipates complex legal challenges, an law firm provides comprehensive protection and strategic advice. The key takeaway is that brand protection isn't just about filing a form, it's about defending your identity, market position, and creative assets. Understanding the difference between trademark attorneys and law firms allows you to choose the right expert for your needs. Proper legal support ensures your brand remains secure, competitive, and legally protected, giving your business the confidence to grow without fear of infringement.